Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 737. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up an FMC. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First, you need to take out AV tab, go on AV tab, and then routes. Mine's gonna be VOCI, and destination is VIGP. And now, as you can see, this page has popped up. This page tells you that what you have to mention in the FMC. So the blue words are gonna be in the via section, and white are gonna be in right section. So now let's head into the FMC. First, we will be typing CCB as it said in the heavy tab, and then paste it over there, and then activate, and then execute. Now let's check. Okay, the via destination is gonna be W43. So let's type it in our FMC W43, paste it over there, and then our the in the right side is gonna be BIA, then paste it over there, then execute. Let's head into our IV tab once again and check. W57 is our via option. W57, paste it over there, and now let's check what's gonna be in our right side. It's HIA, so let's type it. Where's it? Here, HIA, paste it over there, execute. Let's go to every tab once again. Our via is W20. Go to FMC, type W20, paste it. Go to every tab and check. It's BUSVO. Okay, BUSBO. Paste it and execute. Head into every tab, and our via is J3. Head into FMC and type in via J. Where's J? Here it is, J3. Paste it and head into every tab and check. Okay, oop, there's something. So let's type U. Where's U here? E T A E T A and R. Paste it and then execute. Then we got an extra page because we had no space. Head into every tab, and then our via is W20. Once again, go to next page. So what am I doing? W20, paste it, and in our right side, a BPL, execute. Heavy tab, and then in our via section it's W122N. Okay, W122N. Paste it. It's EPDAD. EPDAD. Paste it and then execute. And then here you go. It's done. I can also show you by zooming it out. Oh, look guys, it's completed. As you can see guys, our route is perfectly done, completed. Let me just zoom it in its position, back in its position. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe, and also a very happy new year to all of you, and thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friend. If you have any problem, ask me. I'll see you in the next flight. Bye.